can you list two websites on your GMB profile? And basically what that is that's asking if somebody has a Google My Business profile, which is essentially the business listing, the Google business listing for your law firm, asking, can you have multiple URLs? And the answer is no, you can only have one URL on your Google My Business profile. Now the question comes down to which URL should you use? Because if you're a law firm and you have one location, then that's pretty self-explanatory. You would use the homepage. But if you're one of these law firms that has multiple locations, then it starts to get a little tricky with which URLs you actually want to use for which locations page, because every location that you have should have its own Google profile, should have its own Google landing page. So the rule of thumb is typically usually the most competitive area we usually use is the homepage, because the homepage is always going to be your most most powerful page on your website. So what we try to do is we try to make the most powerful page be assigned to the most difficult Google My Business profile. So for example, if you have a location in Boston and then you also have a location in Wellesley, Massachusetts, which is just outside of Boston, Boston's obviously going to be a much more competitive area. So you want Boston to be your homepage, you want Wellesley to be a different page. Now, for that Wellesley page or for whatever other location you have, you want to have a page that's optimized for the location. So your Boston page, your homepage should be optimized completely for Boston. And the Wellesley page or whatever the suburb page is should be optimized completely for the suburb. Or the outlying city. There's a lot that goes into that. If you want a full guide, just go to heylawyers.com and there's a 24-part video series that I'll send to you on USB drive. It's completely free. Just help me cover a small shipping and handling charge. We'll send it right out to your office, and you can basically go through it. It'll show you exactly how you set each location up properly, how you optimize the pages properly, and just a lot of different things that will help you in getting each of these locations ranking, not just one location, but each of these locations ranking. But to answer your question, you can only have one URL on a Google My Business profile.